Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can see who viewed our videos in YouTube. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your YouTube. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you can head over to YouTube Studio directly or go to U section that is on here, tap on it and tap on your username on the top. Now you're on your videos. So as you can see, there are my posts and there are my shorts. So after you're here, let's head over to our YouTube studio. Tap on this manage video button and you should be on your YouTube studio like this. So after you're here, head over to analytics, and on our analytics we will be able to see our videos. So head over to contents. There you can see typical views, your published contents and stuff like that. So as you can see, there is no direct option. You can see who has viewed your certain video. So let's head over to content again and head over to our content first. After you are on your content, you will be able to see its analytics. Head over to analytics and there you will see how much view it has got. So after you've seen how much view it has got, you can just toggle around, play around, and there you can see how much view it has, it received in what duration. So yeah, there is no actual option that you can see who exactly has viewed your video. So yeah, I hope this video helped you. But what you can see is you can see from which country the most views are from. So yeah, there is no option that you can see which person or which people has viewed your video, but there is enough option to know from where or from what age group has viewed your video. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.